When getting our equivalent fractions, those would be equal fractions, you might come across the term greatest common factor, GCF, and least common multiple, LCM. Your greatest common factor is using the largest number that will divide into the numerator and denominator of a given fraction. For example, if we had 4/8, we could divide this fraction by 2 and get an equivalent fraction. 2 divides into 4 2 times, and 2 divides into 8 4 times. That's an equivalent fraction. Or we also could divide 4/8 by 4. 4 divides into 4 once, and 4 divides into 8 twice. We have 2 equivalent fractions. But the greatest common factor, that would have been 4, reduced our fraction or simplified our fraction to the lowest terms. We simplified the fraction by dividing by the greatest common factor, so the answer was in lowest terms, being only 1 will divide into the numerator and denominator successfully. That's how you get your fraction into lowest terms. Over here, 1 would divide into 2/4, but we would get 2/4. So this would be continued. We can continue to divide this 2 and 4 by 2 and 1. In this case, we can only use a 1. So we know that this fraction is in lowest terms, and we got an equivalent fraction through the use of our greatest common factor. The least common multiple is the smallest number that 2 or more numbers share when multiplying.